Yo, what's up guys, and welcome to today's video. First off, I want to say, bro, my lip is busted right now and it's taking forever to heal, so I apologize about that. It's also very noticeable in the video I recorded yesterday, which will be posted after this one, but that's besides the point. Today I'm going to Tampa, close to Tampa, to pick up a few parts hopefully for the GC. But first I gotta go to Home Depot, get some straps and a blanket because yeah, I have a Civic and we're gonna be coming home with some stuff hopefully, so I might need it. Okay, I don't know. Wait, this is a 2-pack, $50. Yeah, no shot. Alright, I guess this is how much straps are. I also need, I wanted to get like a blanket, but I guess this will do. This is funny. These were like on something that said $50, but they're actually $8, which is lit. Okay, I stopped by the shop, got some gas, and now I'm headed out. So, got like an hour and a half drive, but it should be worth it. Yo! Look at what I found, bro. That thing is turbo. It's turbocharged. It's turbo. Oh my god, that's nuts. Woo! Oh, I wasn't recording, but he downshifted and you heard it. Oh my god. Bro, talk about the middle of nowhere. What the hell? Okay, I am sweating profusely, but I just got a bunch of stuff and I'm super hyped about it. I will show you guys when I get back. I got a long drive. I got something strapped to the roof, and there was a lot of dope stuff there. They had a Supra NA in really good condition, a few WRXs, a 03 WRX shell, which was, I might have to come back for that. Yeah, just a bunch of stuff. She had a 2013 WRX, a Honda CRX, a lot of stuff. But you know how it is. I'm not gonna vlog on someone else's property like that. First time meeting them. So it was dope though. Chill people for sure. But I'm gonna head to the shop and get all this stuff over there. So I'll see you guys there. Okay, I just stopped for food at this place, Firehouse Subs. I wanted to give you guys a little food review. It's whack. Don't go to Firehouse Subs. It's basically Subway. I'm almost home though, so I'll show you guys what I got in a bit. Ooh, okay. Very long drive, but I'm here. I made it to the shop. I want to show you guys what I got. Oh, bars. Okay, so we'll start with the small stuff. Your boy got, I don't know what else I think I need a top piece for these, whatever, we'll figure that out. But I got struts, H&R lowering springs, which should help with that situation. I also got the mean eye headlights, and I want to show you guys the difference because these are different. So mine are like very curved, and these are angled right here, so they're a little more aggressive. They call them the mean eyes. And the reason I got these is because I got this. Let me pull the straps off and stuff, and just to show you what it looks like. Okay, here she is. I'm so hyped about this. So I don't know if it had a hood scoop or they put a hood scoop, but it has a hood scoop. That's all that matters. So it looks a lot better. The only thing, there's this right here, but I can try and bend this back as much as I can. The only thing that we don't have is the grill. It's okay though, because I still need the bumper support because the bumper's not on properly. It's without the support, it doesn't have anything to fasten it right here, so it's just kind of there. But I'm gonna take the grill off, take all this off, and we're going to put on this hood and the headlights, because why not?
Nope.
Before my camera overheats, let me get it under this. God, it's so hot. Okay, first thing I'm gonna do is take off the hood and these headlights and the grille. Yeah, I'm gonna strip it down real quick. Okay, so to take off the hood, it's just gonna be a 12. There's gonna be 4 bolts. It's pretty easy. Oh my God. Alright, we did it. Oh no. The windshield wiper fluid connector. Oh, I just broke it. Oh my God. I'm not gonna lie, I was gonna put it in a clip of me tossing it in the dumpster, but alright. Okay, grill is off. Now it's time for the headlights. I didn't think I had to take the bumper off, but I think I might have to. Okay, I think the camera was getting a little hot, but I figured it out. I got this off. I didn't even need to take the bumper off. Bro, I swear, I don't know if anybody else knows this or notices this, but car clips are like the hardest thing ever, bro. Like, why is they so hard to get off? Like, it's not even doing anything, bro. I just broke it. Nice. Okay, we got that out. Now I'm gonna put in the new headlight on this side. This is fire. And it has the little rubber guard there to close that seal. What? I am hyped right now, bro. Okay, first one's done. So I'm gonna do the other one and then I'll bring you guys back to do the hood. Okay, both headlights are now on and plugged in. I'm gonna try and maybe put some zip ties. There's a hole right here. I'm gonna try and bring the bumper up a little bit so that it sits where it's supposed to, because obviously it's supposed to rest on the bumper support, which I don't have yet. So I'm gonna try and get it look a little more flush for the time being, and I also have to reconnect that bolt right there. Okay, so the grill actually fit. I threw some zip ties up, so now that gap under the headlights is like non-existent. There's a small gap under the grill. You can see that the grill isn't the same. The grill that I ordered goes straight up like this and it's like open. It's fire. You guys will see it. But dude, this already looks way better. Now it's time to put the hood on. This should be very interesting because I struggled getting the hood off. So getting the new one on is gonna be very interesting. I'm gonna try my best. About to close it. Let's see how she looks. Oh my God, bro, that is night and day. What? The grill is a little interesting, but bro, oh my God, that makes such a difference. Alright, let me just talk about this hood a little bit more in depth. Now that it's on, I can show you guys a little bit easier. The hood itself is in really good shape, besides this like dent right here. But it's a full aluminum hood, so it's pretty lightweight. I believe someone did this. I don't think this hood had a hood scoop originally. I think someone put it on. We'll look at the underside so I can show you guys. But yeah, the hood itself is in great condition, better than mine. Mine, if you guys remember, mine is rusted a ton here, so it had that bra on it. So this hood is a big step up from what I had. I do want to say though, long term, this isn't the hood I want. I am planning on doing a Saban hood eventually, which should be dope. That's down the line though, so I'm happy that I was able to get this for a really good price and bridge the gap between my old hood and the Saban hood. So this is, honestly, I'm so happy with this. Let me just, okay, so yeah, this dude cut a hole and put the hood scoop, which honestly I'm cool with, bro. Honestly, like, you can see that right here there's a little gap and there's another gap here and on the sides, but it just looks way better than the no hood scoop. So I'm happy with this, man. I'm really happy. And then also we put in these headlights, so these headlights look way better than mine. They're in better condition. I like the clear look better than the yellow. So yeah, overall it's a really big upgrade and I'm super happy about it. Got the grill is still the old one, so it doesn't fit right, but that should be coming soon. We should be getting the grill within the next month. But man, the car, it just looks more like a Subaru now, and I'm so happy with it. I have made some decisions going forward. I was gonna really try and go for like redoing the entire interior as soon as possible, but after taking a really good look at the interior, it's just, honestly, it's in really good condition. It's just really dirty. So I think soon we're gonna do a video on a really full deep clean. Once the car's running and registered, then I can just take it to one of the local car washes with a free vacuum, because we don't have a vacuum here. Either that or I'll buy a vacuum. But I kind of really like the tan with the blue seats. So as you guys know, these seats are WRX seats, 02 to 03 WRX seats. So first of all, these seats, the front seats with the back, it's like $800. So I'm super happy that this came with the car. But yeah, it's just really messy. Oh, I haven't showed you guys this, but I got a Cobb license plate thing, so it actually matched the sticker that I have on the window right here. And I also got a few peaker stickers. One already came in and 2 more I'm waiting on, so I'm gonna throw those on this. Things gonna come along really nicely, so I'm gonna put this on the back once I get the plate and everything. But yeah, back to the interior. It's just really dirty. Once I clean it, I think it's gonna be really nice. We got the blue with the tan. The dash is in really good condition too. It just has a little bit of some bubbling right there, but it's in really good condition. I'm obviously gonna get a new radio because this is not it. I can't even use this. The steering wheel, yeah, this is not it. This is definitely gonna get changed soon. But besides that, I don't think I'm gonna go too crazy for a while. I do think eventually I want to do a full like STI interior, maybe do like a 04 dash, but that's once we turbo the car. I'm gonna need to change the dash anyways, so when I do that is when we'll change the dash and the full interior swap. But for now, honestly, I think I'm gonna vibe with it. I'm excited to drive and use the car at different points in its life, like with this interior, and then going forward, like first the car, once we get the car running, it's gonna be automatic. Then we have the manual swap, so I'll get to drive it as an automatic NA, a manual NA, and then when we do the full turbo, it's just gonna be dope because I'll get to experience the car at different stages. So I'm really excited for that. But yeah, dude, these door clips keep coming out. I actually have to order this trim, but like this one, I'm gonna order it from Subaru. They should have it still in stock. Yeah, so we got all these other goodies and I'm really excited about it. So the shocks and lowering springs, I don't think they're gonna go on until we do the full manual swap, which honestly should be soon. I just need a few more parts and then we can do the full swap. So the amount of stuff that I actually got was unexpected and it ended up turning out to be a whole video and I wasn't expecting it. So that is where I'm gonna end today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm so happy with the way it looks right now. This thing is gonna be on the road soon. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like and subscribe if you're excited for this build to continue and for everything that's coming along. I appreciate you guys so much. It just started raining, so this is perfect timing. Peace out. Love you.